Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Sad note, sad information, sad news coming up from Southeastern region, particularly Imo State. And right now, the Southeastern Governors Forum have entered into emergency meeting and many more information. We're going to give you a retrospect. We'll take a lowdown what happened very quickly yesterday and what the Southeastern Governors are doing right now. But before we go into the news, proper like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the IPOB, that's the indigenous people of Biafra, has confirmed the killing of one of its commanders, that's Ikonta, during a raid by security forces on Saturday. Well, it was reported that security forces killed Ikonta and 6 other militia, that's their members, in their hideout at Awamama, the village in Oru East local government area on Saturday. The group vowed it will make Imo Governor Hope Uzodinma pay dearly for the killing. IPOB spokesman Ima Powerful, in a statement on Saturday, said the killing of the heroic innocent Biafrans protecting our communities and towns from terrorist headsmen masquerading as cattle headers in cold blood is very painful. The Supreme Court Administrator of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, and all those who had a hand in this wickedness will pay dearly. And of course, this quickly came in quick reaction what the Southeastern governors have done very quickly. And these things, looking at all this, we need to take a full retrospect and take cognizance of what is happening so that we do not heighten up the politics. Well, in response to the worsening insecurity in the Southeast zone, the governors of the 36 states of the Federation are currently in a closed door meeting. The meeting is believed to have been convened as a response to Saturday's attack on the hometown of Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma. On the same day in Imo State, the commander of the IPOB Eastern Security Network, ESN, that's Ikonta, was also killed by a combined team of security operatives. It was reported that the meeting is ongoing at Enugu Government House, or already in attendance are the chairman of the forum, Ebonyi State Governor, Chief David Umahi, host governor, then Right Honorable Dr. Ifeanyi Ugwanyi, Abia State Governor Dr. Okezie Ikpezu, Deputy Governor of Imo State Placid Njoku, the Obi of Onitsha Igbo Alfred Achebe, Archbishop of Enugu, Ecclesiastical Province Anglican Communal Most Reverend Emmanuel Chukwuma, Chairman of the Christian Association of Nigeria CAN Southeast, among others. That's actually referring to the 5 governors actually have entered into emergency meeting, but the full report of what they're going to decide is yet unknown. But let's just quickly take a cross section of what Nigerians are saying concerning their meeting, concerning what happened yesterday. This one here says, what are they discussing? Referendum, exit from Nigeria, or continue saying yes to Fulani slavery? We need our Biafra now, period. This one here says, go and fight. Another person here, let there be positive outcome. Another person here says, good luck all of you if the main topic is on how to stop the killings nationwide, but bad luck to you all if it is to discuss about the attack on Uzodinma's home. This one here is saying, this whole thing has gone beyond holding emergency meeting. Our governors are too weak to handle the already tense insecurity in the Eastern region. The federal government, known as the Presidency, has long declared chaos in the region. We must finish what our father started. Biafra must stand, or the whole country will experience the test of their own medicine. This is not what we are praying for. Okay, a quick one before we go into some of the commentary that is being said. No 2 wrongs make a right. Honestly, somebody somewhere needs to calm down. Yes, we all have our reasons. There's always 2 sides to a story. That's the truth. Well, because if you want to look at it objectively, you need to listen to this other angle and listen to the other person's angle, then find a way around it so that everyone will be at peace with one another, and we have a win-win situation. Now, from the information that have been moving around on social media and every other place, it is assumed that the Imo State Governor's home, I think in our mama also, was burned down by UGM. Now, in that same day, I think thereabout, Ikonta, the IPOB's commander, I think ESN commander or thereabout, or vice commander, I don't know which one exactly is, but he's a very strong person in the cadre, was brought down along with 6 other of his members. All this put together angered Mazen Abdikano that these guys are actually out there protecting the land. Okay, then why then should the military forces come for them? They went further to explain that in the market, a place in Enugu State, the similar encounter took place there, Fulani headsmen, but nothing was done. Right now, angers are high. Nigerians, some parts are against, some parts are for. But honestly speaking, the way Nigeria is going, I don't know if we are going to get to 2023 in one piece. But I will say this with all sense of sincerity of heart. War does not pay. There's always casualties. Some persons have been shouting, or the youths in amongst the southeastern region will tell you, so let's just go once and for all, and let's. But there's always a way around this. There's a way around this. What quickly comes to my mind each time I see the 2 regions agitating for the same purpose, that they want to leave. Look at the way the southwest are running theirs. Where is Igbo today? He's calm. He's still talking, but he's talking not with violence, but he's talking now with wisdom and with a whole lot of decorum. But yes, his spokesman has still been talking, but Igbo himself is calm, relatively so. Now, it's not as if the agitation for Oduduwa has stopped. It hasn't. But they have decided to go. They've decided to go intellectual. They decided to involve the UNs. They decided to go very peaceful. And since they're peaceful and they're carrying their leaders along, okay, and they have not come up to say that they will do this to their leaders or do that to their leaders. They're carrying their leaders along. So their leaders, if they even go for a rally, like what happened in Oyo State, Shey Makinde, the governor, even brought security to guard them so it doesn't go into wrong hands. So there has to be some sort of synergy. Okay, so that it doesn't have to be bloodless. Yes, that's what it should be, bloodless. Okay, talk to because agitation is very legal. It is acceptable in international politics. It may not be in Nigeria, but it is acceptable in international politics. It may not be in Nigeria, not because it is not legal, but simply because probably the authorities that we don't want it to happen. But it doesn't mean that it is not acceptable internationally. And for that reason, could go through the proper way. But fighting everyone, quarreling with everyone, it doesn't always end well. Well, that's my personal opinion, though. Let's meet in a comment section. I feel that everybody should carry everybody along here. Wherever you are not feeling well, tell your people, talk to them, synergy. Let's direct in a comment section.